Take it
away.
I decided to do something dumb for this hackathon, so bear with me on that. As you know, TypeScript is out. DHH put down his foot and said that Turbo 8 is moving off of TypeScript, and obviously this means that the rest of the industry is going to follow suit. I don't know who here uses TypeScript, but you know, you're going to be confronted with this challenge of how do you convert your TypeScript into JavaScript. Fortunately, there's no clean tool for doing that, obviously. So I built an LLM-powered solution in order to do that translation for you. My idea, my project, is Hun, a blazingly fast TypeScript compiler that uses AI. I started off the hackathon trying to figure out how to fine-tune a code gen model in order to do the translation with labeled examples of TypeScript and then synthetically generated JavaScript examples that are perfectly equivalent to those TypeScript files. So generated a data set off of that. I was able to find various repos throughout GitHub with just algorithms implementations that I was able to compile. Didn't manage to get the model trained. I had some amount of memory issues and some machine things. So I reverted to a simple ChatGPT-based CLI. So, or not ChatGPT, or GPT 3.5 Turbo, and it's just, hey, can you help me turn TypeScript into JavaScript? It's baked into a CLI called Hun, so I could do Hun. See, I have, actually, let me show you. I have demo files. So get this Fibonacci.typescript file, which you can see it has type annotations, incredibly ugly. We all hate that. So I'm going to show you Hun compiling this Fibonacci. So Hun Fibonacci.ts. And if you close your eyes and wait, you'll see how blazingly fast it is. See that? It went very fast. So I could look into our JavaScript files. You can see the equivalent Fibonacci JavaScript here. It does execute JS Fibonacci, and it actually works, which is pretty sick. I have other algorithms in here as well. We have let's go merge sort. I said next level complicated. Again, horrible types, which makes us sad. So Hun, merge sort. If you close your eyes again, this one takes way longer. While we wait for this to go on, I'm amazed at how much of even the TypeScript was generated by AI. I'm not a JavaScript or a TypeScript person too much, so I actually just went to ChatGPT. So all of these examples are both generated by ChatGPT and then transpiled into JS by OpenAI as well. I'm going to do the merge sort, and ta-da, another working example. Any questions?
Did deal splitting for large text files?
I did not. Well, I never tested files large enough for that to be an issue.
I had the same question. Is where does this break?
Once the text is too large.
Is this a fine-tuned 3.5 or just raw?
No, this is raw. It was surprisingly good. Of the few algorithms I tried to do, this was like the fine-tuning. I tried that most of the day, and this was like a frantic 1 hour throw together at the end. Of all the examples I tried, they actually all transpiled. Of course, they're like basic algorithms implementations. The Dijkstra algorithm, for example, quite a bit longer, but in the end, it's only 87 lines of code, and that manages to run as well. You run it through Hun. Yeah.
Can it run in parallel with my NPM and nodes compiling takes forever otherwise?
That would be an excellent feature, and I'm sure it is coming to Hun 0.0.2.
Were you serious about TypeScript being done for?
What's that?
Were you joking about TypeScript being done for?
No, I love types. Types rock.
What was the prompt that did the job?
So, zoom out. I don't know if you can see it.
It was actually quite simple.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't have to do much prompt engineering. It was just like, hey, can you compile this? AI rocks, doesn't it? It's pretty cool. So we finally have a tool to convert TypeScript to JavaScript. Any other questions?
Can you send the GitHub?
Yes, it should be in the doc, but I could share it It is Erik with K dash Dunteman slash Hun, Hun.
Okay.